Hello friends, I'm Sujata. You're watching All Season Gardening. The topic that I'm discussing today is types of snake plant varieties to grow indoors. Best Sansevierias. This is the second part. You can also check out the first part. Sansevieria ballyi. The variety is also called dwarf Sansevieria. It grows up to 6 inches tall with dark green leaves with a light green stripe at the edges. Avoid overwatering as it can cause root rot. Sansevieria Blue Sansevieria. Unlike the name, Blue Sansevieria is not blue at all. The green leaves have a touch of copper hue. The plant has an unusual shape with leaves stacked on the top of each other. Sansevieria Cleopatra. The attractive hybrid variety is a new bee growing up to 12 to 14 inches long. The edges of its foliage is brown with the intricate pattern of dark green. Sansevieria parva Hyacinth. It grows in rosette form with the 6 to 12 leaves, reaching a height of 16 inches. It has white flowers with a pleasing fragrance like hyacinth. Sansevieria Eilensis cahahin. The blue-green and leaves of its snake plant variety size up to 5 inches tall. It has spiky flowers growing up to 12 inches. The snake plant is drought resistant and don't ask for much water. Sansevieria Silencia. This evergreen perennial variety grows up to 24 to 28 inches long. The dark green leaves are vertical with small and large white spots. Sansevieria Whitney. The compact variety of Sansevieria has a snake skin-like pattern on the leaves. It reaches up to 20 inches in height. The dark green sword-like leaves are sharp-tipped and very hard to touch. Sansevieria cylindrica. Boncel. The hybrid variety of Sansevieria cylindrica offers light green fan-shaped leaves with deep green concentrate circles from the top to bottom. Sansevieria Eilensis. It features blue-green leaves that can reach up to 5 to 8 inches long with a downward arc. Young foliage shows off red-brown edges and a deep channel in the middle with the peppery brown cuticle. Sansevieria Bacularis. The snake plant has dark green leaves with light cross bands. The leaf tips are soft. It grows up to 4 to 5 inches feet tall and flowers during spring. Grow this variety in warm, bright location. Sansevieria burmanica. Native to India. The linear lanceolate grass green leaves with the light bands growing in rosette. The plant produces white green panicle-like flowers. Sansevieria francisii. The variety comes from Kenya. It has a trunk-like shape and upturned dark green leaves up to 8 to 12 inches tall. Sansevieria liberica. Originally belonging to Central African Republic and West Africa. It features 6 bell-shaped to lanceolate leather-like green transverse bands. Sansevieria hyacinthodes. In its natural habitat, African bowstring hemp grow in small groups under the shade of trees. The leaves are medium green with dark green diagonals. Sansevieria longiflora. Sansevieria longiflora displays dark green leaves with irregular bands or spots on a smooth leaf surface. Edges are red brown to yellow. Sansevieria jade Marginata. The hybrid draft variety shows of a contrasting jade green and cream yellow hued leaves emerging from tight rosette. Sansevieria whale fin variegated. It features white pad like leaves. The mottled green foliage is streaked with pale creamy yellow. It prefers low to bright and direct light. Sansevieria Copper. This variety has stiff, elongated, succulent copper to bronze foliage with wavy edges arranged in a compact rosette. Sansevieria banana. The slow-growing dwarf snake plant cultivar showcases board-shaped fat green to blue-green leaves. The name banana derives due to shape which resemble the fruit. So friends, these are the snake plant varieties to grow indoors. This is the second part. You can also watch first part. Hope you find it informative and interesting. Also don't forget to subscribe this channel and also press bell notification so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. If you like it, press the like button and also add a comment. Also share this video with friends, family and relatives. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you.